Oh, nice. Look at my bathroom. This is trash. Trash. So we're just gonna let it. Ignore how dirty I look, y'all. Y'all, we are moving. The kitchen is. We got some boxes up there. Woman. It's the floors.
Now, in and out, arguing, trifling, difficult. I don't know why you love me.
It's the hardwood floors. Yay! Oh, nice. Look at my bathroom. Walk-in closet. Y'all, we are moving. We got some boxes up there. Some boxes down here. Bless me, y'all. I can't breathe. You say hi to the vlog. I'll show you guys the refrigerator. We went grocery shopping a little bit. I don't know what we're gonna do about that. I'm gonna have to fix that. All of this. Shout out to my friends who organized this. Like, thank you so much. Under here I have the pots and pans, and then under here I have my rice cooker, hot plate, and some little to-go plates that I usually take to work or like pack out the leftovers. I went to a Walmart and got these. Got these. We're gonna put those in the dishwasher, but something is actually wrong with it. I don't know why the fire alarm is going off right now. Nothing is burning. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all when. Oh, what was that? What just fell? Oh, no, ma'am.
The next day.
So I'm about to straighten up the living room a little bit because the Wi-Fi people are about to come. They should be here between 12 and 1, and right now it's 11:40. So when they get here, I'm probably gonna go clean the old apartment. But without further ado, let's get right into cleaning up this living room. TV does not reach this outlet or that outlet, so I have to put it on this extension cord for right now. And this is the living room. Just left. I have Wi-Fi now. It's lit. I'm about to go to the old apartment and clean it real quick. I want to be done with that by at least 2:30, 3 o'clock, so I can come back here and get dressed. The shower in my bathroom is not working, so I'm going to go tell maintenance that this right here does not come up in my bathroom. And then after I get done with that, I'm going to go to Ross and pick up the Ring camera. Yeah, so first I'm about to take me a little lunch break because it's 1:15 and I haven't ate anything. Eat real quick and then I'm gonna go clean the old apartment. Okay, y'all, so I'm almost 100% done with cleaning. I just gotta clean the laundry room. I wanna wipe down the washer and dryer. But other than that, this is all coming to the new apartment. The bathroom is clean and empty. This is my room. Echo! So let's make sure, do the final walkthrough. It's quick because my phone is on 5%. The kitchen is completely done. I dumped out that ice, wiped out the fridge, got the dryer. This is all the trash going out, and this is going to my apartment. The rest of this stuff is trash. Goodbye, 305. I'm done. All this is trash. Trash. The kitchen is 100% clean. The fridge and stuff. Make sure nothing else is in here. It should be all the way empty because I did run it before. Yeah, I messed up the wall. Hopefully they don't try to charge me for that. These have always been broken since like the first day I moved into this apartment 2 years ago, so.
A few moments later.
Okay, y'all, so it is now 5:18, 5:10. It literally took me forever to clean that apartment. See, I'm gonna go to the store first to get the Ring camera. I did a pickup order, so I'm gonna go pick that up. From the store, I'm gonna do a little quick store haul, show you guys what I got from each store. Okay, y'all, so the first bag is Ross. This $5.99. Water jug. I'm about to get back on my water stuff. I need to start drinking my water again, so I got this. And then I got these. Stay tuned for the meal prep video because I am meal prepping. I got the Ring camera. Oh no, I just did an order pickup for the Ring camera. Next, I went to Walmart. From Walmart, I got some French toast sticks, Ziploc bag. I got this coconut bliss stuff. I like to wear this when I go to sleep. Batteries thing for it. I think apple cinnamon, it smells really good. Healing ointment because I have the CeraVe acne foamer thing now, so I'm using that now. So I like little to-go meals because I can take them to work, eat them after work if I'm not feeling like cooking. And I got some garlic bread to go with that. It tastes just like pasta. It's busting. What else I got from Walmart? I got some hot onions. Okay, so another thing I got from Walmart were these. So another type of Illusion in this coconut lime shea sugar scrub. It goes with my Dove coconut. Oh, it's cucumber, not coconut. I don't care. It still smells good. It's not super like overpowering. So I like that it's not super like overpowering like this. Sorry y'all, I forgot some stuff I did get from Walmart. I got this trash can yesterday. I didn't get it this time. But I'm gonna do like a marble and pink type of thing. I got some candle wax. I love Illusion. I like this smell. I got some shower gel. I got some body oil gel. Some contact cases. Some bath towels. I also got a shower curtain. It's pink. It's cute. These are kind of like the vibes I'm giving in my bathroom right now. And I might mix in some black because I'm not really finding anything this type of marble or this kind of pink that I like. Maybe incorporate just gray and then that's it from Walmart. And then I went to the hair store. And I only go to one specific hair store because I get a lot of credit in there. A lot of store credit when I go to this hair store. And they be like, oh, you have $5 worth of points. So I'm like, oh yeah, let's use that and I get it off my next total. I can save it up and build it up and, you know, get free stuff. But so the first thing I got was some hair. 2 L-shaped nose rings. Let me know how you guys keep up with your nose rings because for some reason, like mine always slides out. Even when I get the ones with the balls on them, like they always still come out. I feel like the hole in my nose is just too big. I don't really know. And then I got some lashes. I got some scrunchies. I got 2 ankle, some rubber, some shining, some glue. I use these for my lashes, don't judge me. I got some lip gloss. This is the only lip gloss that is not stick. And then I got 2 little scents. I got powder and Black Woman. If you, let me smell it. That Black Woman. That's some good stuff right there. And then I got some earrings. These were on sale. They were like 20% off, I think. So I went and got some earrings. These are so cute. They're little hearts. Thank you guys for tuning into my move-in vlog. I'm officially all the way moved in. The old apartment is cleaned and ready for the next tenant. I'm forever grateful for living there for 2 years and doing what I have to do to stay there for 2 years. The old apartment is completely empty. I went back, I did a walkthrough. I'll probably do another walkthrough because today is Friday and I don't have to turn my keys in for the old apartment till Monday. So I might do one more walkthrough just to make sure everything is 100% okay. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching this video. Tune in for the next move-in video where I will be decorating the bathroom, setting up the Ring camera, maybe getting a new bed set. I'm looking at bed sets right now, but I'm not sure which bed set I want. Also be mounting my TV. I'm hanging up my mirrors. So yeah, just stay tuned. Just stay tuned. Just stay tuned. If you enjoyed my video, let me know how you guys feel about my vlogs because I'm new to the vlogging. The content is content, you know what I mean? Like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Thank you guys for watching my move-in series and tune in for more. Peace. I'm gonna watch a tutorial on how to set it up real quick, and then I'm gonna go outside and try to do it if it's not too hard.
In and out, arguing, trifling, difficult.